The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Blanco County, northeastern Kendall County, north central Comal County, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bluegrass, or near Blanco, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Blanco, Canyon Lake, Bluegrass, Candalia, Twin Sisters, and Spring Branch. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.